Ni na udhocha ngumanyithie yetu atiani nthini wa Facebook ni Mutongo TV. Mwene kibila wa chama cha UDA yulwa maundu ma Usakuanini Anthony Mwaura ni waweta kana chama cha UDA nikiyumbanitie kwa undu wa kutwaisya Usakuanini wa muthungululo kwi muthenyani wa uni. Mwaura ingi ni waweta kana chama kiu nikikuikithia Usakuanini wina uguo na aki muthungululo wa ibila sa ugavana withiwa na ateti 13 nala mauseneta ni 18. Benjamin Mwaka no kutubingu ya bilingi wa mobo.
Munini wa President Dr. William Ruto ni wathingila kwa ivinda ingi kana we Ngeetikila utua mwene nthino wa mausungi oma kivila cha Usumbi unyumvanini umwenene ukite ni kwesilanziai vala wenda musindani wakiwa vakuvi wa kivila kicha Usumbi Raila Odinga na thechionthe ala meulika mithunguloni ya siama tama UDA kwi uni matukwatia nziao taino no kana kuikithia nthini yande ya kwikala na mugo na sio siama sinengo mwana wa kuikika nthini wa utongoi.
Whichever way this election goes, I will respect the outcome and the verdict of the people of Kenya so that we can have a peaceful country going forward. I request all our competitors to do the same. I ask all the candidates participating in the nominations tomorrow to be democratic and also respect the outcome of the nominations tomorrow.
Mithungululo ya chama cha UDA katwa kwe uni na nia ivila sionthe ateo cha Usumbi vena mithungululo ya ugavana nthini wa kaunti 13 na useneta nthini wa kaunti 18 undu umwe na ivila kauta sio MCA uyumbe na siandongo isiaka nthini wa kaunti.
This is the biggest exercise ever undertaken by any political party in Kenya. I will do whatever it takes to ensure that women are not disadvantaged and they get a fair chance in our primaries and in our elections.
Nayo nzama ya maundu ma unyuvani ya chama kicha UDA ni aikithisia thechionthe kana isesothi ikethwa na utheu na umelu meyo yonthe ya kutwaisya mithungulo ni vikie nthini wa kaunti sionthe na vala uunguo sesei wa yulu sisothi kambia saa 12 sia kiokoni na kuthela saa 11 wa kuituka.
Our ballot papers, you cannot even be able to photocopy them. They have got watermark. So there will be no mix-up.
Chamaki ni chathingila kana vaivalua wa usindi unengano nthino isesa sia kutalila kula sia iliombunge be wa memba milioni 8 chamaki cha UDA meikwatiwa kwikonya na iseso thino.
The person who has won, you come with that interim certificate here at the headquarter na hii board sasa ipatiane the final certificate which will be taken to the IBC.
Dilivotia vilingi wa mauvo kuma vaka undini lovi nyanita wa Benjamin Mwaka.